Republic Act 9275, an act providing for a comprehensive water quality management and other purposes, also known as the Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004.
The Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004 was signed by former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo on March 22, 2004. It took effect on May 6, 2004, with its implementing rules and regulations. Contains the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, or DENR, Administrative Order Number 2005-10. As an archipelago, the Philippines is surrounded with waters. Ranked fourth with the longest coastline in the world, measuring 36,289 kilometers, or 22,559 miles, while its water area covers 1,830 square kilometers. The country water resources have played a significant role in its development. However, some development efforts combined with the rising demand of ever-increasing population have caused damage in water resources. In response, a law was signed to pursue a policy of economic growth in a manner consistent with the protection, preservation, and revival of the quality of our fresh, brackish, and marine waters.
Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004, Public Act number 9270. This act provides for the abatement and control of pollution from the land-based sources and lays down water quality standards and regulations.
National Sewerage and Septic Management. The law mandates the Department of Public Works and Highways, or the DPWH, to develop national programs for the sewerage and septic management. Focus on land-based pollution. It primarily addresses pollution originating from the land-based sources, such as industrial discharge, agriculture, runoff, and domestic sewage. Water quality standards and regulations. The law sets specific water quality standards and regulations to ensure the protection of water resources and human health.
The act shall apply to water quality management in all water bodies, fresh, brackish, and marine waters. It shall be the policy of the state to prevent, control, and abate pollution of the country water sources, promote environmental strategies for the protection of water resources, formulate a national programs of water quality management, promote commercial and industrial processes and products of the environment-friendly and energy-efficient. The Act, among others, shall provide for the designation of water quality management area by the Department in coordination with the National Water Resources Board. The designation of water bodies for the specific pollutants from either natural or man-made resources have already existed. Water quality guidelines as an attainment areas for the exceeded pollutants. A national program for sewage and septic management, domestic sewage collection, treatment and disposal, water pollution permits and charges, offenses and penalties.
Abatement and control measures. It provides various measures to prevent, control, and abate water pollution, including the use of technology, management practices, and enforcement mechanisms. Multi-sectoral approach. RA 9275 encourages a collaborative approach involving the government agencies, industries, communities, and other stakeholders to address water pollution issues.
The Philippines is blessed with water resources which have played a significant role in its development. The Clean Water Act is a way to safeguard these water sources. It provides sanction for those who will pollute the water. The success of the Clean Water Act depends on its implementation and on its individual effort to protect these water sources.
Republic Act number 9275, or the Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004 is a comprehensive environmental law aimed at protecting the country's water bodies from pollution through a combination of regulatory and participatory mechanisms. The objectives: ensure the protection, conservation, and revival of the quality of fresh, brackish, and marine waters. Promote public health by preventing waterborne diseases and protecting drinking water sources. Encourage sustainable development and responsible water sources management. Major provision: water quality management areas specifies zone managed by a multi-sectoral board to implement tailored water quality protection strategies. National Sewerage and Septic Management Program requires infrastructure planning for sewage and septic treatment. Wastewater charge system imposes fees on wastewater discharge to encourage pollution control and water conservation. Penalties for violation fines range from 10,000 to 200,000 per day with a 10% increase every 2 years. Non-compliance with the cleanup operation may result in imprisonment, additional fines, and stricter penalties. Public health benefits reduce risk of waterborne disease and cholera or typhoid. Community and environmental benefits. Protects aquatic ecosystems and biodiversity. Promotes community awareness and involvement in water conservation. Supports livelihoods tied to clean water such as fishing and agriculture. Encourage sustainable practices and eco-friendly technologies. Challenge and negative impacts. Impose financial burdens on industries and local governments. May discourage investment through strict regulation and high penalties. Required adequate funding, expertise, and awareness for effective enforcement. Recommendation to address challenge: provide technical and financial support to small business, foster public-private partnership for infrastructure and innovation, conduct public education and campaigns on water conservation, implement continuous monitoring and evaluation to improve effectiveness. In summary, RA 9275 plays a crucial role in preserving the Philippine water resources, enhancing public health, and promoting sustainable development. Through its success depends on adequate support and effective implementation.